ready to unlock a treasure chest of freebies and discounts on Temu. This short video will show you exactly how to start racking up referrals and get those sweet deals. First, open your Temu app, look down at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the U icon. This will take you to your account page. See that enticing earn credits and free gifts button? Tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of different referral programs. Temu often changes these up, so you might see things like refer and earn, free gifts, or other similar promotions. Browse through these options and pick the one that seems most appealing to you. Once you've chosen a program, tap on it. This will usually display your unique referral link and referral code. These are your golden tickets. Copy your referral link or code. Now, share it with your friends and family through your favorite messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or even good old-fashioned text. As your friends sign up using your link and meet the program requirements, often placing an order, you'll see your reward progress bar filling up. Once you reach the goal, you can redeem your awesome rewards like free items, coupons, or Temu credits. Start sharing and enjoy the savings.